Wait guys, wait.
Ayan guys. Ay, shit. This is our order now. One Hawaiian and cheese overload. Bimbi's favorite. And baby girl is here with me. And yeah, let's eat. Ayun na si Shandy. Nakalagay lang siya sa box kasi ti-take out namin. Ilan ang kakainin mo? Look at the cheese. Malinis ba yung kamay mo, Shandy? Hingi ka kasi ng ano. Oh, mag-thank you kay Daddy Boom.
Thank you, Daddy Boom.
Ayun siya. At parang tagal lang. What friend daw? Paano na? Angelica?
Dalawa naman lang.
Isa lang, Shandy. Only one friend, Shandy. You have many friends, only one friend lang daw. Me, only one friend.